Hello, second graders. Today we are going to do some math together, some multiplication. Oh, Pepper, stay, sit with us. People want to see you. Sit. So today I am wearing my shirt that one of you gave me, and I'm also drinking coffee out of my caffeine teach repeat mug because it makes me feel closer to you guys. So thank you for those sweet gifts. I'm enjoying them at home right now. Okay, so we're going to start with multiplication. You've all done fives already. So quick review. I like to tell my class that the top number is the count by number and the bottom number is the fingers up number. So I know that in multiplication you can switch these around, but for us, since we don't know how to do all of our numbers yet, we're going to use the top number as the count by number and the bottom number as your fingers up. So in this particular problem, 5 times 3, we put up 3 fingers and we count by fives. 5, 10, 15. Okay, so this was really easy for all of you. You caught on really fast on how to do that because you know how to tell time already, and in telling time we count by fives all the time. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. So that was nice and easy for everyone to learn starting with fives. So again, an illustration of that same problem, 5 times 3 would be, meaning I have my fingers up number here is that I have 3 plates, and my count by number is 5, and on each plate there are 5 cookies. So this is 3 plates times 5 cookies on each plate. So we'll refer back to the count by number and the fingers up number and the picture as we are working on multiplication. So first one, 5 times 4, 4 fingers up, counting by fives. So put your fingers up, count it with me. 5, 10, 15, 20. And on the next one, 5 times 7, we have 7 fingers up. We're counting by fives. Count it with me. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. Next one is 5 times 2, 2 fingers up. Count by fives. 5, 10. And last we have 5 times 8, which is 8 fingers up, counting by fives. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. So counting by fives. The next ones we did after fives were twos. We did twos again because you know how to count by twos. Counting by twos is pretty easy. You've done it since you were in kindergarten. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Even numbers are so great. So we're counting by twos. And so you'll notice that all of my numbers have a 2 on the top. That's my count by number. Your paper looks like this one. I just wrote them a little bigger. So I have the top 2 rows of your big counting by twos paper. So on this first one, this is my count by number. This is my fingers up number. So I'm putting 7 fingers up and I'm counting by twos. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. And on my next one, 0 fingers up. Anything times 0 is 0. I have no plates. There would be 2 cookies on each plate if I had plates, but I have no plates, so I have no cookies. 2 times 5. 2 is my count by number, 5 is my fingers up, so I'm counting 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 2 times 9, 9 fingers up, counting by twos. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. Last one on this row, 2 times 1, 1 finger up, counting by twos. 2. Okay, so you might be noticing that, Mrs. King, these seem pretty easy. There's another really easy way to do these, and that is just to think of them as doubles. 7 plus 7 is 14. 0 plus 0 is 0. 5 plus 5 is 10. 9 plus 9 is 18. 1 plus 1 is 2. That is a trick that works only for twos. You can double them. So as we go down here, we can double this, or we can put 4 fingers up. I could say 4 plus 4 is 8, or I can put 4 fingers up and go 2, 4, 6, 8. I can say 8 plus 8 is 16, or I can put 8 fingers up and say 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. On my next one, 2 times 6, I can put 6 fingers up and say 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, or I can say 6 plus 6 is 12. And 2 times 3. 3 fingers up, counting by 2s, so that is 2, 4, 6, or I can say 3 plus 3 is 6. Okay, so we've done 5s and we've done 2s. My class has not done 3s yet, so this is a new lesson for my class. Multiplying by 3s is a lot harder because you don't know your 3s yet. I haven't taught them to you. So I do have a little trick to help you with your 3s. On my hand, my fingers, they bend and they have 3 little segments on them. You can see the creases here, and then I have 3 segments on each finger. I sort of have that on my thumb. When I get to my thumb, because there's kind of this, and this, when I get to my thumb, I go 1, 2, 3 here. So I have 1, 2, 3 spaces, 1, 2, 3 segments on this finger, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. I usually just do 3 down here because this one's kind of tiny. So I can count on the 3 segments on my fingers to help me learn how to count by 3s. Eventually, you'll be able to go 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, and so on. Okay, so on my first one, count by number, fingers up. Here's my 3 fingers up. And to get us learning how to count by 3s, I'll start going by 1s, but I'll count the 3 sections. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 3 times 9, we go right into a hard one. So 9 fingers up. And I'm counting the 3 segments on each finger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. Woo! Okay. 3 times 4. 4 fingers up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, 3 times 1. 1 finger up. 1, 2, 3. 3 times 6. 6 fingers up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. And as you get better at it, you will be able to stop counting those segments and just go 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. Okay, then we have 3 times 8. So I'm putting up 8 fingers, and I can go 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, and then let's say I forgot what comes next after that. So I can start counting by 1s. I was at 15 here. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Next we have 3 times 5. It's row 2 of your math fact paper. So I need 5 fingers up, and I'm counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 3 times 7 is our next problem. 7 fingers up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. If I already know my 3s, I can go 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. Okay, last one, ending with an easy one. 3 times 2, 2 fingers up. 3, 6, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So again, to recap, 5s, easy because you know how to count by 5s. 2s, easy, you know how to count by 2s, or you can just double them and you also know your doubles. 3s, a little harder. We have new numbers to memorize, and while we're learning to memorize them, we can count the segments in our fingers. Pepper, don't leave. Don't leave. Come closer. Oh, there's Pepper. Pepper, I don't know if she's really learning her math. I think she likes story time better. I'm really excited though because multiplication is something that third graders do, and we're in the last quarter of school, and you are getting close to being third graders. So you've already learned the hard parts of math. You've learned money and time and borrowing and carrying, and those were really difficult. And now we're moving into multiplication, measuring. What comes after that? We have 3D shapes and graphs. And so those are really the fun sections of math that we're coming up upon now. So I'm excited to learn them with you. Love you guys. Hope you're having a wonderful day. And FYI, today is actually the 26th. You might be seeing this later, but it's Jace Wagner's birthday. So happy birthday, Jace. Hope you're having a great day. Love you guys. Bye-bye.